The first requires a neutral wire. The second does not need a neutral wire. The capacitors are connected to the both sides of the bulb. Pairing method first connects to the Zigbee gateway. Open the Tuya app. When the gateway is in the paired state, open it and click on the plus sign to add the device. Tap on the search device to connect to Wi-Fi. Wait for pairing to complete. The device will be in the paired state. The indicator light will flash. Click to add a Zigbee device. For ways to control the switch: app controls, touch control, voice control. RF control. The switch has a timer function. Wi-Fi version doesn't have as many timer functions. Smart switches also enable group control and sharing of devices.